Use the right lane to take exit 5 for Florida 13 South San Jose Boulevard. There's a speed trap ahead. Use the right lane to take exit 5 for Florida 13 South San Jose Boulevard. Use the right lane to take exit 5, then keep right at the fork. Keep right at the fork. Continue on Florida 13 South for 1 mile.
Bow at the bow.